A warm welcome to all my dear students of class 4. Today we are going to learn about election. India has government in village, towns, cities, states and New Delhi. Each of these government is chosen by the people through voting in an election. So in this video we will learn about election. What do you mean by election commission? Who are known as voters? And what are the procedure of election? India has the largest democracy in the world. Just as we have election in class for the class monitor, we also have the election for our state and country. We elect or choose our own leaders who form the government and run the country. This process of electing our leader is known as election. Voting in India. In India, leaders are elected through a process known as voting. People who elect their leaders are known as voters. All Indian citizens who are 18 years and above are allowed to vote in the election. Election in a big country like ours need a lot of planning and organization. The Election Commission is responsible for conducting the election in India. It plans everything, decide the dates, hold the election, provides all the details and announce the result. It also makes sure that election take place in a fair and impartial manner. The voters go to the polling booth to vote. They have to provide it with an identity card which they can carry when they go to vote. It is known as Voters ID card. It has all the details of the person, including a photograph. Voting is done by secret ballot. Nowadays, electronic voting machines are used to vote, wherein people cast their vote by just pressing a button. So it is an important duty of a citizen to make sure that they can vote and also that they do